Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lady.cg, aka Chelsea, aka Chelsea on the beat, and today we're gonna be making this hoop over quick weave, aka a half wig. I have my bundles from Amazon, loose deep wave. I have a mesh dome cap here. I like to use the mesh one so my head can breathe. And then you're gonna need a blow dryer. You're going to need some Got to Be glue spray and some hair glue. I'm using the Salon Pro Super Blonde glue. And I'm just making sure that my wig cap fits over my canvas head. Make sure you have a canvas head that's actually the size of your head so your wig can fit properly. I put down a shower cap on my dome head before putting on my wig cap just to make sure that the glue does not stick to my canvas head. It's also easy removal. So I'm just measuring out from side to side my first track, and then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to apply my glue. I did apply the glue to the cap and also onto the track just to ensure longevity because I will be taking this wig on and off. So yeah, so I did put the glue on the track. After measuring it, I just pressed it down like I'm doing here, and I'm making sure that I'm pressing the glue right into the track, or the track right into the glue, just so it does not slide out. After doing that, you want to make sure you blow dry it completely so everything is intact and also does not slide out. And then I'm going in again, measuring from side to side, applying my glue straight onto the cap as well onto the track, and I'm pressing that track right into the glue where I mapped out on the cap. This is a very repetitive process, so I am going to speed up throughout the video. But while you're doing this, you want to ensure that you're keeping a nice mapping out onto your wig. You want to be going side to side up until you get into a U shape. So here I'm at the nape of the neck. When I start to get to a crown, I'm actually going to kind of mold it into a U shape, and you'll see that further along in the video. So this is after one bundle is completed onto the head, and this is how we're looking. It's super cute so far. So I'm just going to continue to add my other bundles in. I'm just going to finish off that row with my next track just to make sure I have like an even distribution throughout the wig. So I'm just making sure I put that track onto the glue, and I'm making sure to really ensure that it's stuck. While you're doing this, make sure to blow dry in between each step so your tracks to be sliding out because they're not properly dried. So this is after the second bundle, and this is the U shape that you can see that's coming in. So I'm just following that guide. I'm doing the same steps with each track, row by row, until I get to the top. When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right, body rude is unpolite, don't be in the humble life, tell me is you down, cause I'm. So now that I'm at the top, I'm gonna start closing up that U shape. So I'm laying the tracks horizontally across from side to side, and we're gonna do this till we have about 2 inches from the end of the cap so we can close our part. Now that we have about 2 inches from the end of the cap, I'm going to start laying my tracks horizontally where you see my finger pointing to, and this is ensuring that we're going to close the part. So any direction you flip your hair into, you won't see the top of the track. And you want to make sure that you're putting the tracks real close together for this, for an easier flip and also to cover each track. When you get to the second to last one, you're almost gonna have your tracks like kissing into each other. So I have that little gap. I'm adding one more track in between. And now to cover the top of the weft, I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to add it to the weft, and I'm going to take hair from the left side of my wig and I'm gonna put it over to the right. I was a little bit out of frame on camera while doing this, but just follow that motion that you see me trying to put the hair to, and then I'm gonna slightly tap that hair into the glue. You don't want to apply too much pressure because the glue will seep through and then you'll be able to see it. Now I'm just blow drying that part so it doesn't move anywhere. If you're able to, it will be helpful to allow the wig to dry overnight, just so everything is completely intact. I did not have the time to, so I left this for a few hours and it was completely fine. For added security, I did stick it into my hooded dryer just to help the process a little bit more. But this is how the wig came out. You should be able to flip it from side to side without any wefts showing. And I'm going to show you guys how I install it, which is super easy. So now I'm just playing with the hair to make sure I like how it looks. And I was actually super proud of myself, so this is just me playing in the hair, honestly. But this is how the back of the wig looks. The curl pattern of the hair was super pretty. The ends were a little bit thin, so I did cut off some after finishing the wig, and this is how much bundles I had left. So I used about 3.5 bundles to complete this wig, and now this is me installing it. So I did not want to sleep in this wig, so I got a wig band from my local beauty supply store, and this is to help your wig grip to your head so it doesn't slide back. You just put that on, and then I put the wig on top of it. Feel free to sew the wig down if you would like, but I just generally don't like sleeping in my wigs, so I did not do that. I previously flat ironed the front of my hair with heat protectant, and now I'm just using my wand curler to curl random pieces into the hair. I'm also wand curling the front of my hair to help blend it even further. To help with this process, if the front of your hair is kind of short, you can take a piece of the wig and your hair and curl it together so it'll help blend even further. So I did my edges off camera, and I decided to go back in and wand curl a few more pieces of the hair just to give it that volume. The hair came out super cute. I just really think the volume that this half wig gave was just so cute. But yeah, I'm just curling random pieces, and I'm making sure I'm just playing around with the curl pattern. I'm kind of pulling the curls as I release it just so it doesn't give too much of the Shirley Temple look. But this is how the hair came out. Super cute, super easy. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, bye.